Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the Quick Menu plugin. First, to install the plugin, copy the data, image, and JS folders into your project directory. Next, switch to the RPG Maker window and open the Plugin Manager. Find the Quick Menu plugin in the list and click OK. After that, you will see the plugin configuration screen here. You can set up the default menu and configure the menu options. Let us take a closer look at one of the menu options. For each option, you can assign an icon, link a script or a switch, change its name, or set the sound that plays when the option is selected. You can also choose whether the quick menu should always be visible on the screen. When you are done, click OK and then click Apply so the plugin settings take effect. Now let us take a look at NUI. NUI is the system that controls the interface layout. It allows you to change sizes and manage other visual aspects of the Quick Menu plugin. First, let us run the game and see how the Quick Menu interface looks by default. This is our menu. Now let us try to make some changes in the NUI configuration files. We will start by increasing the size of the button that opens the Quick Menu. Next, let us increase the size of the icons inside the menu. Switch to the Quick Menu item file and change the width and height values. After that, save the changes in both files and switch back to RPG Maker to run the project again. As you can see, the changes have taken effect. The Quick Menu button and the icons inside the menu are now larger. One more important thing. All visual assets are stored in the Image/Quick Menu folder. You can place your own custom graphics there and use them in the menu. Now we have the interface configured and the Quick Menu visuals adjusted to our needs. Now let us take a look at how the plugin interacts with the RPG Maker event system. For this demo, we have placed 3 events on the game map. The first event simply opens the Quick Menu using a script command. The second event opens a custom menu that allows us to add items to the inventory. You can create a clean Radial menu directly inside an event, replacing the standard choice list. This makes it possible to build nice-looking interfaces and simple gameplay mechanics right on the fly. The third event modifies the Quick Menu layout dynamically based on the previous event. This demonstrates a very simple form of conditional logic. Now let us run the project and see how this works. As you can see, the first event opens the default menu with 6 options. Now let us trigger the second event. We can see that the background has changed, and there are 3 buttons on the screen. These buttons were configured earlier in the plugin settings, and each one adds a different potion to the inventory. Let's click all of them and exit the menu. Now we open the inventory. In the Items section, we can see that the potions have been added. Finally, let us move to the third event and trigger it. As we can see, the options layout has changed. That is the basic workflow of using the Quick Menu plugin in events and game logic. Before we wrap up, let's briefly talk about the guide. The plugin comes with a wide set of script commands that give you fine control over how the quick menu behaves and looks. You can change its visual appearance, add or remove options on the fly, and modify how the menu reacts to player actions or game state. These commands are designed to be used directly inside events, which means you are not limited to static menus. You can dynamically rebuild the interface, adjust layouts, and respond to switches or variables in real time. When you combine all of this, the quick menu becomes more than just a shortcut menu. It turns into a flexible system that can support more sophisticated game mechanics, custom interactions, and context-sensitive interfaces, all without breaking your event flow.